So today we have to discuss the exercises. Yesterday we have finished with the chapter, right? So let's start with the exercises. First, fill-ups, come on to the page number 53. Come to page number 53. Yes, first. A dash is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables.
Query.
Yes, so the first answer is query. Second, in a query, the dash property is used to set the condition on the basis of which the records are filtered.
Parameter.
So when you have to set the conditions, you have to जब आप conditions लगाते हैं so that your records can be filtered, आप किस field के ऊपर किस property में you are able to set the conditions?
Criteria.
Yes, that is the criteria property. So many students are joining late, and I don't know why 5th day students are joining. 5th D class, I already told you there is a change in timetable. Now Suman ma'am will teach you. So criteria. Okay. We can set multiple criteria in a query using dash property.
Or
We
property.
can set multiple criteria. So how we are going to set the multiple criteria? By using which property?
Or property.
Yes, or property. अगर आपको याद हो जब हमने query design करी थी, so there is one field that is or, and under that we used to type the conditions. Multiple conditions can be given there, right? Dash property is used to filter the data either in ascending or descending.
Sort
property.
So with the help of sort, we can able to sort our data. We can able to arrange our data in the form of either ascending order or descending order. The bottom name of the select query window displays the
Design grid.
two parts होते हैं ना query window के. There are two parts of the query window. The first one is object relationship pane. The second one is design grid. Okay, and they are asking the bottom part, so that is design grid. Any doubt in this? ये blank सबको clear है? A dash is an effective way to organize and summarize data in a printed form.
Report.
From the name itself, it is clear when we want to print it. That means we have to use the report object. All right. Any doubt? All the answers are clear? Yes, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, true, false. Coming on to the true, false. Queries helps us to retrieve information from one or more tables that meet a specific condition.
True.
Queries object which is helping us in retrieving the information. हम queries में कोई ना कोई condition लगाते हैं on the basis of which we are able to retrieve the information. So that's why the statement is true. Next is a report is created exactly in the same way as forms are created.
False.
False. False.
A report is
False.
created in exactly in the same way as forms are created.
True.
Forms कैसे create होते हैं? Who will let me know? How the forms will get created?
Create tab. Reports group. Report option.
So using the create tab, and reports are also created from the create tab. So the methods are same. So that's why the answer will be true. Okay. To specify the multiple criteria or properties used.
True.
अभी हमने blank में भी ये discuss किया when we want to set the multiple
True.
criteria. So or property is helpful in that. That's why the statement is true. We cannot run a query without saving it.
False.
Without saving also we can run the query and later on we can
False.
save it, है ना? So that is false. Next is sixth. A relationship works by matching a field with the same name in two columns, in two tables.
True.
Sorry, fifth one is the sort property is used to filter the data in ascending or descending.
True.
So the statement is true. We can sort with arrange the data in ascending or descending. A relationship works by matching a field. Yes, there should be a primary key in the table so that we can uniquely identify them. So the answer is true. Once a relationship is set, it cannot be deleted.
False.
We can delete our relationships. Form view is used to change the structure of form.
False.
Which view is used to change the structure then? Which view is used? हाँ जी बताओ कौन सा व्यू होता है जिससे आप स्ट्रक्चर चेंज कर सकते हो?
Design view.
Design.
Very good. The answer is design view.
Design.
Clear? Is it clear, बच्चे? The answers are clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on to the application base now. Swati created a database of her classmates and entered 30 records in it. So means she has created a database in which she has entered 30 records. The teacher has asked her to show the data of those students who have scored less than 50% marks. तो जहाँ पे 50% से less than marks हैं, only that data should be shown. So suggest her the method to apply this criteria. So what will be the condition for specifying where the marks should be less than 50%? How you are going to specify the criteria?
Same.
What will be the answer? Yes. What condition you will specify? क्या condition लगेगी?
Create tab in design grid set criteria less than 50% marks.
Yes. So in the design grid जब आप query create कर रहे हो अपनी, तो query में inside the query, then there will be a design grid, bottom part, right? So in the query, in the design grid, you will set the criteria. Criteria column के अंदर आप क्या set करोगे? It should be less than 50. आपने type क्या करना है? Less than 50 in double quotes. This thing is to be typed, okay? This thing is to be typed in the criteria. लेकिन कहाँ पे करोगे आप type? Under the marks column. Less than 50 कहाँ पे आएगा? Under marks column. Clear? The answer is clear. Yes, बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Just imagine you have a query where there is one marks column, and in the design criteria, under the criteria field, you will type less than 50 in the double quotes. Okay. Johnson and Johnson company has a huge database of employees. The company wants to maintain the privacy of each employee and has given the instructions to computer operators to update each record one at a time. So which database object will you use? One record at a time you have to update. So which object you will use?
Forms.
In the forms, we can update the data at one record at a time. Okay. This thing is clear, bache? The answer is clear, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Coming on to the MCQ.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming on to the MCQs. Which query allows addition, deletion, updation, and appending operations on data?
Action query.
Action
Query.
Yes.
Action
The first one is action query, where you can able to append, edit, or delete your data. That is the B option. The option is B. Which query prompts you for input before it runs?
Parameter query.
B. Parametric query.
Parameter query. So in this query, the user is asking to enter something, to input something, so it will prompt you. Which option is used to change the appearance and size of various controls of the form?
Layout.
Layout view.
So that is the
Layout.
layout view, in which you can able to change the controls. What does the top section of the query window display? Top section of the query window display
Wait. Sign.
selected table. आप वहां से टेबल सिलेक्ट करते हो ना कि कौन से टेबल में मुझे क्वेरी क्रिएट करनी है. So the option coming there is selected table. How many views does the SES provide to display a form?
3.
3.
So there are three views are there.
3.
Which key defines the relationship between two tables?
Primary. Primary key.
Primary key. Clear है बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a
Yes,
query?
ma'am.
What is a query?
A query is a database object that helps us to.
Yes, yes.
A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria.
Yes. Yes, Jayant. Any other answer?
A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more tables that meet a specific criteria we define.
Yes. So you can write in your own words, you know the meaning of query, you understood the concept carefully कि query में होता क्या है. So you need not to run for the bookish language. You can simply write in your own words. So query is a database object that helps us to retrieve the information, or you can say retrieve or view information. अगर आप नहीं भी लिखोगे तो it's correct. That helps us to retrieve information from one or more database tables. Clear? That helps us to retrieve information from one or more database tables. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Explain the parts of query window. Explain the parts of query window. What are the two parts?
Query window has two parts. The first is object revision. It displays the tables, and the second is design grid.
Object relationship pane and design grid. So two parts of the window are object relationship pane and design grid. Now in the question you have to explain them. Explain the parts. So object relationship pane क्या करता है? It displays the
Selected tables.
table. Very good. It displays the selected table. Right? And design grid का क्या role आता है?
Used to specify the fields
It
criteria.
is
Specify the fields and criteria for query. Clear? Clear है बच्चे? So it is having
Yes,
two
ma'am.
parts: object relationship pane and design grid. So object relationship pane displays the selected table and design grid specifies the fields and criteria for the query. What do you understand by criteria?
Criteria, it is used to set the condition on the basis of which the records are filtered.
Very good. So criteria property contains the conditions on which records are filtered. Criteria property contains the conditions on the basis of which you filter the records. Any doubt? Any doubt in this answer?
No, ma'am.
Answer is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming on to the next. Answer number 4. Into how many types a query can be categorized? Into how many types the query can be categorized?
5 times.
How
Five
many
types.
types are there?
Five.
5 types of queries are there. कौन कौन सी 5 types हैं? Select query, parameter query, cross tab,
Action query.
action
SQL.
and SQL. That is
SQL.
structured query language. All right. The answer is clear, बच्चे. The 5 types of queries are
Yes, ma'am.
parameter, cross. बच्चे, lot of disturbance at your end. किसी के पीछे से बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आ रही है. I unmuted all of you to discuss the answers so that you can discuss and give you answers yourself. But lot of noise. So 5 types are select, parameter, crosstab, action, and SQL. Clear? Now differentiate between select and parameter query. Differentiate between select and parameter query. Yes, Anshika, you can give the answer, bache.
Select query retrieves data from one or more tables and displays in the record, whereas parameter query is a type of select query that prompts you before input before it runs.
Right.
We have to input criteria in it.
Yes. So in the select query, we used to give the criteria beforehand, that is during the design time. And in the parameter, the criteria is given at the run time. So ये major difference है दोनों में. In the select query, में क्या होता है? In select query, the criteria is given at design time. Okay, हम पहले ही दे देते हैं ना query design window में. Criteria is given at design time. But in parameter, the criteria कब देते हैं? Criteria कब देते हैं? At the time of, जब हमसे input लिया जाता है at the time of run. So we used to input the criteria is given at run time. Okay. Difference clear है बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, any doubt? Okay. What is form? Briefly explain its use. What is a form and explain its use?
Form is the
Again, a disturbance is there. Any other student?
A form is a piece of paper on which a user fills the required information in specific fields.
Now see, again you are taking the definition from the book. You are just looking into the book language. What we have done, हमने क्या किया? हमें पता है कि form क्या है? Database object है. It is a user interface where we can able to enter our records. Piece of paper. What that mean? Okay. So are you getting my point? You know the meaning, so write it in your own language. First thing, it is the database object. We already know that हमने last chapter में भी पढ़ा tables वाले में कि 4 objects होते हैं: form, reports, queries and tables. So form is a database object. क्या करता है वो आपको allow? That allows you to enter. That allows you to enter the data, and we know that in form, at a time, only one record can be entered. हमें ये भी पता है, so we can make it in your own language. Okay, it is a database object that allows you to enter the data in database. You are entering the data in the database, one record at a time. Okay, one record at a time. Clear, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
And I already conveyed you in the message that you have to send your notebooks on my new number that is being shared with you people. So don't send on the old number, their notebook will not be checked. All right. Now the last question, question number 7. What is a report? How will you print a report? What is a report? How will you print a report? Now you again know that report is a
effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing.
report is a database object. आगे क्या आएगा? It is a database object that organize and summarize data for viewing or for printing. Clear? Report is a database object. This is answer number 7. Report is a database object that organize and summarize the data for viewing or printing. Clear? Next part is how will you print the report? How will you print the report? Report को कैसे print करोगे? What is the method for that?
Click on
File
the
tab print option.
Click on file
In
tab
order
print
to
option.
print report, the command is file tab print option. File tab print option. So clear? Any doubt? Yes, any doubt in any of the question, bachche?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All the answers are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in the chapter 21?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss the test. So yesterday you will be having test now. So have you attempted that? All of you? Have you given the test? Okay, so let's discuss the test now. The window is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First question, write the command to run the query. So the command for the query is, in order to run, design tab, results, group, run option. Three things to be written in this command, tab, group, and option name. So 1 mark for each. So that's why the question is of 3 marks, right? So check your test yourself and give it a marks if all the 3 options are correct. 3 views of the form view, design view, layout view. Okay. What are the 2 ways to create query? Design, query design, and query wizard. The 2 parts of query design window are object relationship pane, query design grid. What is the difference between form and query? Forms are the user-friendly interface which will help you to enter the data in tables or queries, but one record at a time. Queries are the objects that helps you to retrieve and view the information from one or more tables, but on the basis of some specific condition. Give one word for the following. Again, 3 one words were there, 1 mark each. Which view is used to, which view of form is used to enter, edit, or view the data? The answer is form view. Query which allows the addition, deletion, and appending operations, that is action query. Which key identifies the relationship between the tables? That is primary key. So I hope all the answers are clear. The test was so simple. Have you checked it side by side? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so complete your notebooks and send it me on my new number till Monday. Okay, so you have to send your notebooks till Monday. Send it on my new number. Don't be in the defaulter list. Complete your notebooks well on time, properly maintain the index, put date number on every page. I should not mark question marks there, so do your work properly and sincerely, okay? Manisha, share the database in the next lecture now, bache. The time is up. Take care, bache.